All right, so I'm at a house that we're doing a fix and flip deal on. The seller decided to sell it to us for cash instead of taking the extra money for a fix and list deal. This property is one of the harder ones to estimate the rehab cost on if you're a brand new realtor. So I guess that's why I thought this would be a good one definitely to show you and talk about kind of the renovation costs. One is you'll see all the trim is missing in the house. We have to put all new trim everywhere. I put $2,000 in for that. And that's just based kind of on experience. Here you'll see that the laminate floor, they started putting new in. They've ripped out the old here where you can see the plywood, and then here's the old floor. So the project's kind of started, but not finished. And there's enough laminate floor downstairs to definitely finish the whole project, but they didn't finish it. So no material cost there, just labor. I put in $1,500 for that. So we have a range hood missing here. I put in $600 to buy a new range hood, but the cabinets are good, the countertop's good. And if we go, let's just put this railing back, that's no big deal. Go into this kitchen or in this bathroom. There's really no problems here. We just need to finish ripping the floor out. Everything else is good, you know, it's in good shape. We're gonna repaint the whole house. And I pretty much listed off everything we're gonna do already. Carpet. So new carpet, new paint, finished laminate floors, put the missing baseboard and trim back up, repaint the house. That's it, and range hood. That's the whole project. And $7,500 is what I'm estimating all of that will cost. So up here, we have the laminate downstairs. We're just gonna put new laminate in. I think what we're gonna do, just to make sure there's enough, because like looking at square footage of what they have downstairs, it might be slightly short. So we're gonna run the carpet up the stairs. And this also helps save because we don't wanna have to get a nosing piece for the laminate floor they have. So we're gonna do carpet up here, and then we're gonna transition at this door right here, and then we'll do laminate there. Just because we already have the laminate, so why not? And then carpet, we'll do the carpet the hall and transition at this bedroom. Oh, it smells horrible in there because of the cats. There's a litter box. I can barely breathe when I open that thing. Definitely gonna have to run the ozone machine in this house. I hate the cat houses, but here we just throw everything away, fix the drywall where, you know, the cats or dog has ripped it all up. Nothing to do in here. Oh. Really, carpet and paint is gonna go a long ways in this house. Carpet, paint, and laminate floors, it's gonna be top of market again. It's really in a great shape. Just looks bad because of, yeah, it's all the cheapest things to fix that need fixed, which also happen to be what you notice the most. We're gonna get new lights that can get brighter. Those are not very bright. It's kind of a dungeony room. So that helps a little. We'll make it less dungeony. But it really has the potential to be a really killer house. So I love this one because just doing a little bit is gonna go a long ways in value. This is one of those where we put like $7,500 into the house and it goes up in value by like 40 grand, right? Because people that are buying that high-end house, they're not gonna look past this stuff, right? Like they're just gonna walk out. It smells like cat and there's unfinished projects everywhere. They're not buying this house. So we're just gonna fix all these little projects that have been started and then sell it at the top of the market. It's gonna work out great. Here we're probably gonna rip all this laminate out. Not probably, we definitely are. You can see it's been water damaged. So we're gonna put, here's the boxes of laminate over here. We're gonna do the main floor. We're gonna go do upstairs minus that hall. And we're gonna see what's left. And if there's enough, we'll do this whole room too with it. If there's not, we'll just carpet this whole thing. So we'll play that by ear. So this will get carpeted too, because we don't want, this linoleum. So maybe we'll do that laminate over the linoleum here and then do carpet from here forward, because this is kind of like a suite. It has its bathroom on it. You know, we are missing the door handle. I put $300 in for that, but that's it. Just one door handle missing. But this is kind of an ensuite, a nice one, right? Because it's on the main floor, or at least you can walk out here. You got good view. It's like good for a mother-in-law, or if you wanted to rent out your basement situation, because the basements walk out with a gate too. So if you're elderly, you come out here, no stairs, and out that gate, and you're out. And we'll get all the rocks put back in and get the dog poop off of the turf. And that'll be that. So I look forward to showing you this house again when it's all done. This is a really easy, quick, easy fix and flip. Look forward to showing you the end outcome. Thanks for watching.